Not everyone is used to banks referral programs, I mean affiliate programs. Yes, our commercial banks don't often reward for that. Maybe they are marketers, which happen to be their insiders or something, right? But here on Opay, yes, you can actually get rewarded for referring people. Yes, even commercial banks do it, but it's not common. It's not very popular. Not everyone knows. That's the point I'm trying to drive home. So this is my Opay homepage, and if you click on rewards here, and you see there are different kinds of rewards categorized under fried bonus, refer friends, play for a child, voucher pack, right? So you can redeem this in airtime, or you can actually withdraw some of them, right? Now let's click on refer friends, because this is the one I want to talk about right now. So it says get your friends in and win up to 7,200 cash. Now look at this. It says my cash balance is 750 and withdrawable amount is 800. That's the threshold, right? And maximum is 7,200. So this is my Opay code. So I don't know if there are still people out there who are not already on Opay, because Opay has become very popular. But regardless, if you are not, I'll leave you my link with my code embedded. If you can't find it in the link, I will drop the code in case. So use my code to register, and this is how you get rewarded. Your friend fills in their phone number, maximum 10 friends, you get 2 naira each. Your friend makes the first transaction from Opay to Opay, you get 10 naira. The first friend's new user transacts 100 naira or more, you get 800. The reward for each additional new user you referred, 1,600, right? And you can see down here, people are just getting the rewards. You can see their names, their usernames displayed down here, right? So if you don't have anything to do, you don't have any business, I think this serves as an opportunity for passive income. Besides, today is weekend, right? So you might want to use this to, get some extra cash for yourself. And by the way, Opay has proven to be the number one microfinance bank, also as fintech brand that is doing Nigerians proud. Their transactions are very fast and they're actually very seamless. People prefer them more than the commercial banks, that we know out there, right? They are said to be licensed with the Central Bank of Nigeria and they're doing well for themselves. So if you're not already using Opay, just jump on it, register, and of course there are many advantages, right? So for every recharge you make using Opay, you will get a bonus. Yes, you can buy airtime for as low as 15 naira, and there is a cashback for 500. Look at this. I'll just pay 400. I'll get 500 naira airtime. I'll just pay 17 naira for 100 naira airtime. I get pay 9. I pay 900 for 1,000. So there are a whole lot of benefits that you stand to enjoy. But I will not be spilling all of it here. I'll leave some elements of surprise for you to figure out yourselves, right? So jump on my link in the pinned comment, register, and do some level of verification, of course. So this is not financial advice, as I'm not a financial expert. Even financial banks crash, right? I do not own this platform, by the way, so you endeavor to do your research. I've been using it for years and it has not given me any cause for alarm. That's why I'm sharing it. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.